Did you know that nearly 1 in 5 Americans have errors on their credit report? That's a big deal because these mistakes could be costing you money, whether it's a higher interest rate on your car loan or an obstacle to securing your dream home. So, how do you dispute errors on your credit report? Stick around and we'll break it down for you. Welcome to Factful Finance. I'm glad you're here. In today's video, we're diving into the steps you can take to correct any inaccuracies on your credit report, because your credit score is too important to let mistakes slide. Before we get started, a quick reminder. This video is for educational purposes only. Always consult with a professional for personalized financial advice. Now, let's get into it. First off, how do you know if your credit report contains an error? The Federal Trade Commission found that 21% of consumers had an error on at least one of their 3 major credit reports. These errors can range from incorrect personal information, late payments that were paid on time, to even accounts that don't belong to you. So, how can you correct them? Step 1. Get a copy of your credit report. The first step is knowing what's wrong. You're entitled to a free credit report from each of the 3 major bureaus: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, once every 12 months. You can get these at annualcreditreport.com. Review each report carefully to identify any discrepancies. Be thorough. Sometimes errors can be subtle, like a misspelled name or a wrong address. Step 2. Identify the error. Once you've pinpointed the error, it's time to figure out exactly what's wrong. Let's say you notice a late payment listed on your report for a credit card you've always paid on time. Or perhaps you're seeing an account that you don't even recognize. These are the types of mistakes you'll want to challenge. Step 3. Dispute the error. Disputing the error is the next crucial step. All 3 major credit bureaus allow you to file a dispute online. Typically, the process is pretty straightforward. You'll need to provide any supporting documents that back up your claim, like bank statements or payment confirmations. Each credit bureau will have an online portal where you can upload these files and submit the dispute. It's also important to note that if the error is with a specific creditor, like a bank or credit card company, you should contact them directly as well. Sometimes the issue lies with their records, and they may need to correct it on their end. Step 4. Wait for the investigation. Once you've filed your dispute, the credit bureau will typically have 30 days to investigate. They'll reach out to the creditor and request verification of the information. During this time, you'll want to monitor the status of your dispute. You can usually check the progress through your online account. Step 5. Review the outcome. After the investigation is complete, the credit bureau will send you a report with the results. If the error is corrected, great, your credit report will be updated accordingly. If the dispute is not resolved in your favor, don't panic. You can appeal the decision or provide additional evidence to strengthen your case. Step 6. Keep track of your credit. Even after the dispute is settled, it's important to monitor your credit regularly. Errors can crop up again, and catching them early is key to maintaining a healthy credit score. Tools like Credit Karma or Experian's free service can help you track your credit score and alert you to any significant changes. Now let's talk numbers. According to a 2020 study, 5% of consumers had errors on their credit reports that could affect their credit scores by 25 points or more. Just think about the impact that can have on your financial life, especially if you're applying for a loan or mortgage. To wrap up, disputing errors on your credit report is crucial, but it's also a process that requires patience and attention to detail. By following these steps, you can ensure that your credit report reflects your true financial history and ultimately improve your creditworthiness. If you've ever dealt with a credit report issue, I'd love to hear your experience. Let me know in the comments how you handled it. Thanks for watching Factful Finance. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips and strategies to take control of your finances. See you in the next video.